Okay, friends, welcome, friends. Today I am going to give you the standard 6th science social science solution. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and please share this video with all your friends. Okay, friends, thank you. And I am going to give you solution. Write any four sources to know history. Okay, so answer number one. So, here is the answer. uh, Tarpatra and Bhojpatra, palm leaves and birch bark. Okay, in the ancient time, man used palm leaves. Inscription, articles which are carved on the metals and stones are called stone inscription. Okay, copper plate Tamrapatra. The text in which is engraved on copper sheet is called Tarpatra. Okay, coin we get information about the name of king, his religion, culture, and time. Okay, from these coins. Okay, we'll go to the second answer. Second answer to locate on map, it is there in your notebook. Okay, it is there in your textbook. Sorry, you can just do that. Now match the column, match A with B. A means A is with D, 2E, 3A, 4C, and 5F. This is a question answer of match the column. Okay, answer in short. Lothal Dhola. Answer for A is Lothal Dholavira and Kalibangan. Okay. Now it was common for tribal to fight for defense. Okay, Magad. Okay, now there are 16 Mahajanapadas. Janapada was the area or place of person's habitat. Okay, and Rajgiri was capital of Magad. From the Vedas and epics, this is answer for 4. Okay, now we'll go to answer 5. Okay, here we see right tools. Okay, which tools were used by primitive people? Now we'll go to this answer. Okay, here are the answers. Weapons made of stones and wood were used. They even used implements made of bones. Fill in the blanks is Vindhya mountain. So fill in the blanks, answer is Vindhya mountain. Identify meat was dog, which was the first companion of human. Answer in one sentence. Crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. Okay, they buried dead person and also kept some of the things with the dead body. It tells us about their imagination. Okay, that there is life after that. Okay, now we'll go to answer number 5. Okay, and D is remaining still, we'll see that. So here answer number, E short note Lothal and primitive man, we'll go to see their answer. Okay, first we'll see Lothal and then we'll see primitive man and nomadic life. Okay, here is the answer. Lothal is situated on the bank of Bhogao river in Dholka, Taluka of Ahmedabad district. It was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient time. The dockyard found from Lothal shows that it must have been a prosperous port of ancient India. Okay, the international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the Lothal port. Okay, now we'll see the second answer. This is the second answer. In the early times, primitive man lived a nomadic life. They used to find places where they found the animals like deer, sheep, and goats and water. Thus, they stayed in good and large places where stone, wood, and water were found. Here, they lived in natural caves to protect themselves from animals and rain. Okay, we'll go to next answer. Okay, so distinguish between stars and planets. Friends, please write it on your own. You can know about stars, there are many stars. Okay, and the group of stars makes constellation and the group of planet makes solar system. This is the answer, you can write on your own. Write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. First we will see Saturn, turban planet, and the planets. Which planets are known as inner planets? Okay, that we will see. I am taking you the answer. Okay, Saturn known as turban planet. Okay, Saturn, it is situated between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It is bluish in color. There are 3 bright rings of blue green color around Saturn. These rings are a special attraction of Saturn. As it is far away from the sun, its surface temperature is very low. Saturn has more than 60 satellites. It is known as turban planet. Okay, we'll go to next, inner planet. Okay, answer number 4. Which planets are known as inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are considered to be inner planets. Okay, we'll go to answer number 4. Next answer. Okay, so mountain, plateaus, and plains are a part of lithosphere. Okay, lithosphere covering the earth. Okay, lithosphere covering the earth. Your answer will come lithosphere. Okay, now state the reason. The atmosphere satisfies the need of the natural shield of the earth. Okay, the atmosphere, we'll see. I will take you the answer, then ocean, very useful. Okay, both I will take you to the answer. Here is the answer of atmosphere. Why it is necessary? The earth is surrounded by the sphere, various gases of the approximate height. Okay, so this is the answer. Atmosphere transparent, colorless, odorless, tasteless. Okay, we'll go to next answer. Here is the next answer. Oceans on the earth are very deep and huge. Okay, so why are oceans useful? Okay, so here, so you can write down this answer. Ocean water is useful. This three line. Okay, this three line very important. Okay, you can write down these three lines. Okay, so it's very easy. I will take you to the next answer. Now explain the concept international dateline. Okay, I will be showing you the international dateline, what to write. This is the answer you can write. The international dateline passes over the Pacific Ocean, and there are some island in this ocean. Some parts of this island lies to the east of the. Okay, this whole thing you can write down, international dateline. Okay friends, I am just zooming. You can write down. Okay. Okay, now answer C. Day and night occurrence is short and long, and I will be taking you to this both answer. Okay, this both answer I will be taking you. Okay, here is the answer. The earth moves around the sun with the axis tilted 35, and due to this axis tilted, the day and night are long and short. Okay, now we will be taking the answer next. This answer, sometime there are 29 days in month of February. Explain the statement. Okay, so you can write down 1 year of the earth. Okay, it is very easy, you can understand. I will take you to the next answer. Okay, next, unity in diversity. The characteristic of India, explain the statement. Okay, university in diversity and what is unity. I will be taking you to this both answer. Okay, this is the thing you write. University unity in diversity is seen among the people. India has diversities like that it is known as the subcontinent in India. Okay, many people follow in different religions, speak many languages, have diversity in culture, celebrate different festivals. People of different races from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh live untidily in our country. The diversity is in looks. Okay, in looks, color, complexion, attire. This is the answer. I will be taking the next answer. Okay, what is national unity? People of different religion, languages, and caste show a spirit of love, respect, honor, loyalty, devotion, dedication, and respect to their nation, and experience similar feelings of unity. This is called national unity. Okay, we'll go to next answer. Here is the answer that at which age decided for an Indian citizen to cast vote. So answer is 18 years. 18 YEARS. Okay, answer here now. Gram Sabha, democracy and court. I will be taking you to the both answer. Okay. Friends, some answer I am skipping friends, so please don't write whole paper same to same. Okay, ओके मैं भी कोई आंसर स्किप कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि कोर्ट इसमें नहीं लिखेंगे और ग्राम सभा डेमोक्रेसी और टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट आपको मैं उधर लेके जा रहा हूँ. ओके, सो इट इज़ ग्राम सभा. Each village has a Gram Sabha to perform the task as per the law of Panchayat. After the election of Gram Sabha, a meeting of Gram Sabha is held by announcing in advance all the voters of the villagers are the member of Gram Sabha. They can vote in Gram Sabha as well as make proposal. The Gram Sabha is like a village assembly. The general assembly of Gram Sabha could meet. Okay, this is about Gram Sabha. Now I will take you the next answer. Okay, so democracy. The spirit of freedom, equality, and brotherhood are the values of democracy. A democratic government preserves the values of democracy by keeping the constitution in mind. To ensure equality, security, and convenience for all, the democratic government implements plans and schemes keeping in view the values of democracy. Okay, friends. So this is the answer. Now I will be taking you to the next answer and last answer. Please share this video with all your friends. Thank you, friends, and share this video with all your friends. There are three main types of government: democratic government, communist government, and monarchy government. Okay, so your four types of government are mainly found in the world. It is monarchies in the world. Okay, democratic government, communist government, dictatorship government, and monarchy. Thank you, friends. Please share this video with all your friends. Thank you.